My sister and I both co-own the company. We were brainstorming about ideas around a for-profit business that would also be socially responsible.
I had the opportunity to learn business from some of America's greatest corporations. This was my chance to put to application all that great learning I had. The biggest challenge would have been resources and time.
Back in 2004, I found out all the resources that was here in Charlotte.
The CPCC Small Business Center courses were instrumental in coming up with our organizational planning and development.
So I started off with QuickBooks. I've taken Excel classes.
The Marketing Your Business class, that one class changed my life and how I literally market myself and my business. I sought out counseling to start with. We hear from everybody that starting your own business is either so easy, which it's not, or it's so difficult, which it isn't either. Tom Conroy, what he was able to do was spend time with me, helping me separate fact from fiction, and helped me with how to look at and evaluate the business.
With these seminars, we were introduced to business planning. We were introduced to pricing and competitive marketing strategies.
A lot of times at the seminar, at the workshop, they're going to have panelists that either is in small business or some industry-specific expert.
So we'll consistently seek to leverage the resources that the Small Business Center offers.
The way we do business is constantly going to evolve. So understanding and knowing that those technologies are available by continued education is what you have to do in business.